Where can you put a condenser tumble dryer? It can be a bit of a nightmare to find the right place for a tumble dryer in your home. Here are the do's and don'ts of where to put your condenser tumble dryer. First, let's look at where you shouldn't put your condenser dryer. 1. Don't place it on a carpet. Putting a condenser dryer on a carpet is a fire risk, since the exhaust duct can reach temperatures of 85 degrees Celsius, which can lead to a build-up of heat that has nowhere to go. Less importantly, a leak could potentially cause damage to the carpet. Number 2. Don't put it in a cupboard. A constant supply of fresh air is needed for the tumble dryer to work at its best, so it's advised not to cover it with a cupboard door. There is also a higher chance of damp accumulation in a confined space. Number 3. The garage. Might be too cold. As long as the temperature of your garage doesn't drop below 5 degrees Celsius, it should be fine to keep a condenser dryer there. However, the temperature in many garages in the UK will drop below 5 degrees in the winter. This is a big issue for condenser dryers as they store water within the machine, so the water can freeze if it gets too cold, which will damage the dryer. We've now looked at 3 places where you shouldn't put your condenser dryer. So where can you put your condenser dryer? The best place to put a condenser dryer is usually in the kitchen or in a laundry room. Make sure it has a bit of space around it and that the room temperature doesn't drop below 5 degrees Celsius. If you don't have space in the kitchen and don't have a dedicated laundry room, anywhere in the house that doesn't get too cold and has sufficient space and ventilation should be fine. Just make sure the dryer isn't on a carpet and that there is room for heat and moisture to escape safely. I hope this video helped you find a good spot for your condenser dryer. Don't forget to subscribe for more tumble dryer and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.